Take fish. Okay, thank you. Hi fams, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Mozambique through Tinager's channel. It's a beautiful morning here in Mozambique and we all woke up healthy and sound. Hubby has gone to work and I'm done with my morning prayers. I had to go brush my teeth because I was feeling so much pains last night, serious waist pain. So I decided that I'm going to wake up today and do little exercise. And the only exercise I know I could do is to take care of my house. That's do normal sweeping and mopping in the house. So I had to take water, which is what I do every morning. At this point I am free to take water in the morning because I no longer feel my morning sickness again, so I am free from that. So right now I drink water often these days. So I would love you to spend the day with me. This is how my life is as a pregnant mom, a life of a stay-at-home mommy with one toddler living in Mozambique. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so spend and enjoy the day with me. Let's do the house chores. So right now I'm done sweeping inside, so I need to sweep my corridor so that I can go and tidy my kitchen because today I'll be making donut for sale and I'll be making egg roll. I've been wanting to eat egg roll, so this is actually my first time making it. So I will carry you guys along and see how it came out. Okay, don't forget to like. You're woken up now, not hear what. Don't go outside, daddy. See mama here. Yeah, come and hug mommy. Come and hug me. At this point, baby Brian is awake, and so we're just doing our normal morning hug for mom and son. So I need to go and bring out my flour, and I need to put carton for baby Brian. So I'm telling baby Brian now that you have to say hi and blow kiss to everyone. Are you ready? So he said yes. What is that? Mr. Bean! Mr. Bean! Don't climb up, but see to what he's doing. Oh yeah, sit. Sit down, Papa. Yeah, sit. Be a good boy, okay? Don't disturb mommy, yeah? Stay there, yeah? You drink tea? Eh? Tea? Yes, I'll make tea for you, okay? Be a good boy. Don't disturb me, oh. So I just put on charcoal now so that I can start frying. I'm making my donuts. So I had to leave it to rise. So this is how I cover. So rise. Now I hear the rice. Oh, they're already raising very well. So I made a little dough for egg roll. So I want to boil egg now and make egg roll. So this one, the mixture is quite different from donut. So let me just finish frying, then I can now mold the eggs. My egg roll is ready. So right now I'm in for the next phase of exercise, fetching of water. So I'm done baking, I'm done frying my donut and then the rest of the things. So right now I need to quickly fetch this water because water has not really rushing steady as usual. So I heard that the water has problems, so now it's running. I need to use my hand to like fill those small cans because it helps me a lot in terms of bathing and washing. Where's your cup? Brian, Brian, where is it? It's there, it's there. Where is it? Bring it. Plenty will take. Yeah, I want chocolate. You? Bye. This is few minutes later. I saw Popo passing by, and it's been a while I ate Popo, so I had to get Popo. I need to lick fruit. My body needs fruit. Don't you think so? Life of a pregnant woman, no be here. Fans, it's evening, so we are having this for dinner. So I'm making alifas, Mozambique dish. So this is it. Baby, come and mix now. Akwamana kadoko. Okay. No. Baby, don't need onions for the macaroni. Not too much now. Brian, come and take fish, oh. Brian, don't want. I don't cartoon now. Oh, man, I'm not. You know that. Oh, well, come and take fish. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's fish. F for fish. Let's eat. I'm not that fully at first. Chef is cooking at the same time. I'm making macaroni for baby Brian. What is there? Take fish. Hey, thank you. Yeah, go and watch a cartoon. Go inside. It's a road trip. Macaroni is ready. Oh. This bowl is the perfect place for it. So let's enjoy. Hey, Hubby is eating. Right, Daddy? Ba ba ba.